Yes, Carthor. You are first. If this don't work, what I'm going to do is check this other board for shorts, and if it's okay, I'll replace the capacitors and see what happens. Okay. So that's pretty much all put together. Enough to test. Hope it doesn't get bang again. Right, we're off there, plugging it in. Here we go. Hurry up, Andy. I am hurried up. I'm here. Hello, grass puddle fixed. Don't know. We want to see this light and no smoke. Yeah, we're back.
Andy's the best.
Thanks for us. Welcome back, guys. I'll wait until a few more people come. I'll zoom out a little bit more.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? So I did watch back the speaker. I didn't see any. I mean, the stream. I didn't see any spark, but I did see a bit of movement, like poof, like that. So I don't know if that is just the sub bouncing. So, power on. Yes. Here we go. Please don't be any smoke. 3, 2. Yeah, no spark, just movement. 1. May have to plug it in. It's not plugged in. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait, is it off bypass? Yeah, off bypass. All right, we've got a red light at the front. Pulsing red light. No smoke. We have a pulsing red light. Very slow, not blinking. I know it's on standby. Okay, do I press the power button? Oh, it's blinking really fast. We've got blinking. It's flashing like crazy. So it's like the first one I had where it flashes really fast. But it doesn't blink twice. Let me try press the power button anyway. So we've got a steady pulsing light. Steady pulsing light. Now I'm not pressing it with my tongue and then it flashes fast. We've got a fast, very fast blinking red light, so that's errored. Okay. So I'm wondering, I think I should just check the components on here, because it's not the power supply, otherwise it would have blown this up as well. So I think maybe the power supply side is fine now. So I'm really tempted just to replace these capacitors, check the components everywhere, make sure they're not shorted. Yeah, let me try that. All right, so we're unplugged. It's not because obviously it's not bypassed, is it? And it's not getting enough current. There was a spark. I didn't see an EDM. I just saw a movement. I didn't see no spark. Replace all the caps. What, on the old one? It's gonna take a long time. To replace all those caps. I'll take one off and measure it, and if it's bad, then I will replace them all. But I don't think that's the issue here. Not at all. There was, Andy. It looked like it was from the first cap. Okay, I'll have a look in a second. Oh, that wasn't plugged in. Is that why it didn't? Oh, no, I didn't plug that in. Surely that wouldn't have mattered. That's probably just to do with the... what you call it? From the first cap. So I think I only saw. Do you know what the time is? And I'll have a look. Have you seen the article on this on iFixit? No. Do you know what the timestamp is? And I'll have a quick look. First or second cap, right hand side. Where's my discharge tool? Okay, good. You said you had 437 viewers when you... No, I didn't. That's probably how many views I had total. Oh, hello, Joe. Joe. Oh yeah, I'm on top chat. Ugh! Why didn't it just save the settings? I didn't close OBS. Obviously, I restarted the stream. There you go. Actually, I don't need a timestamp because... Oh, bugger. I do. It's reset itself. Look at Sergio's comment. Measure speakers to not have any... Oh, that's too far. That's me plugging it in. 3 hours 18. Wow, really that far? What am I on? 15. 3 hours 18:06. Here he is. 06, too far. 14. I've got my finger on the bulb. There we go. Tester. Don't know if you guys can see that. Me. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got a short on it. The dim bulb staying on. No. The dim bulb staying on. No, that's not it. It's a bit further than that, I think. Is it then? When I bypassed it. That's hot. Send it. Yeah, I'm just going to go full current. Here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There. Oh, I didn't see nothing there. All I saw was a little bit of movement there in the middle. Full current. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nope. I didn't see no. Just saw no spark. Just a slight movement there where I think the sub bounced. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Something just sparked. I thought I did, but I just saw the movement. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Something just... I didn't see anything. Saw a switch. Yeah, it switched. It's that thing that bounced. 3, 2, 1. Like that. Nope. Something just sparked. But I heard something. I thought it sparked, but it was movement and a click. A little buff. What do you mean ricochet? Yeah, I kind of want to go back to this one. Anyway, let me go around testing for shorts on here. Just quickly see what there is. See if there's any cap short, which there shouldn't be because it turned on fine. It just errored. That's fine. Any of these? I think they're drivers or something. Nope. 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 That's fine. They're fine. These are fine. Yep, that's fine. Yep. That's where the other one blew. Oh, get lost. What? No. Bugger. It's the same thing as the other one. It's instead of it being the top one, it's the bottom one. Exactly same thing. This thing shorted. We're at 1 ohm.
Oh no!
Oh, for God's sake, man. Yeah, they're all short. Okay. So that's what's causing the blinking. Now, is that inrush current sensor thingy majiggy fine as well? We're reading. Nah, that's gone. We're at 2K. 2.5K. So that's blown as well. Damn it. 3K. That's a 3K resistor. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, and that's blown here, look. You can even see this one's gone. So it's exactly the same as the other board. So that maybe that's a common issue with these two. That one's fine though. Wait. Is that what popped? Yeah. No, that's still fine. But that looks a bit dark. Is this blown as well? No, this is fine. No, these are fine. It's now the bottom one. So I'm in beat mode. That's fine. That could just be ground anyway. Oh no. No, that's ground as well. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. But why is that getting hot again? That was a nice clean one, but that one's completely gone. This one's gone everywhere. Yeah. This doesn't look good neither. What the hell is this? What's this thing? What is that? That looks weird. It's not even measuring anything. It's covered in some sort of glue. Ohms? Oh, we're getting a reading in ohms. We're at 4K ohms. Maybe it's a 4K resistor. But yeah, that's gone as well. So now, question is, should I take it all off for this one? It's a thermistor. Oh, is it? Looks better than this one. This one looks better. The other one looked all burnt out. Maybe not. It's just the color of it, I guess. It doesn't look better. Right, okay, let me... All I can do is replace these components and hopefully it'll work like the other one did. That's definitely short again. With that's blown and this resistor as well. Are these diodes okay? Actually, I didn't check around the diodes. They're probably short at the minute though. Nope. Nope, they're okay. This resistor is... That's reading 70 ohms. But that could be because of this is short. Or blown open. I don't know. Let me take them off. See what happens. Whoops. Is this good stuff? Someone is advertising a faulty one for $200. That's a lot. I paid £30 for mine, faulty. So 200 is a lot, in my opinion. But then again, I don't know if mine's the Air or if mine's normal. I don't know which one mine is. Mine's just the Mark 1 that I've ordered. Okay. 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 Now, I'm just going to replace from the other one. Takes a while to warm the board up. There we go. 1, 2. Whoops, I dropped that one. 3. Come on, flip around. Gonna lower the airspeed a second, so I don't want this flowing everywhere. Okay. Oh, hello back. Hi, Sergi. I think the faulty unit I've brought for $30 to $50. Can't remember. Yeah, that's what I mean. So 200's a lot, in my opinion. Hell of a lot. Crooked MOSFET. Yeah, I'll deal with it in a second. Oi, that board still must be pretty hot if it's done that. Even that's crooked. Ah, you want me to sort out this stupid? I don't want to pop the caps on the other side. Just joking, man. No, it's fine. I'll sort it out. I know you are. It's fine. There we go. It's just being super annoying. Okay. I do like it to be straight though. Okay. All right, let's wait for that to cool down. Give it a clean measure and see if the short's gone. Yes, Joe? Why the question mark? I think that's... What's that about? I thought so too. It's far from being worth it. Yeah, that's way too much. Okay, let's measure it now. Short be gone. Yeah, no more shorts. And is this reading? Yep, that's better. 1 ohm. And this one should be 100. $1K even, 1,000. Yep, that's good. Now up here as well, we did have a weird short at the top here. Yeah, I think this is gone again. I don't think that's supposed to be short. It's short on there and there. And there. Not there, not there. Oh no, because it's not short on that side, so that's got to be the ground side. Yeah, no, that is normal then. Ground on that side, not on that side. So that's fine. Hello, David. I mentioned that those 2,200 UF 16 reed caps are common failures. Really? So I need to replace them all? Wait, the 2,200 UFs? Oh, not these. What you're about on the power supply board? If you're on about the power supply board, then oh, okay. Well, I've replaced them. Ow, that's really hot. I can't test this yet. That's too hot. Or unless you're on about these, which are not the 2,200 UF. If you're on about the ones on the power supply, then yeah, it's fair enough. Well, I checked them at least. Yes, huge. I think. You're like the huge caps. The 220 UFs. 16 volt caps. No, they're the 200 volt caps. I don't see any 16 volt caps anywhere. Well, I'll tell you what, this board's holding its heat. 2,200. I don't see any 2,200s. Oh, unless they're the little brown ones. No, they're 25 volts. Ah, that's 100 UF. No, I don't know where 2,200 ones are. Is that the one I've just replaced? Can't see. If it is, no, they're 1,500s. Okay, never mind, Eddie. Never mind. on the power supply board. Yeah, this one doesn't have that one. Sorry, let me change view. Don't need to be on this view anymore. Just go wait for this to cool down. So this is his original board, which now I'm turning to this donor board. I'm still not sure about that though, but it's got to be because it's ground on one side. But it'll be the same with the other one though, surely. Because it's not short on that side. I will show you. So ground. Stop going out of focus. So this one is no short, no short, no short on either side. Now this one has, but no short that side, but it does that side. I think this is still failed. Can you catch me up quickly where we are with this? Well, we're getting blinking red lights. So there's an, oh, that's also blown as well again, look. And that's blown. So why does this keep blowing? This is on the other board. This is the donor board. Maybe that one failed, which also took out this one. And now it's got this, Sergio, this has got the the same issue that the other one that I did. Yeah, that one's blown as well. Why is it blowing it? What were we reading on there? Yeah, we're in the kiloohms. And that one's blown again. Yeah, they're the same IC. I think slightly different. No, it's exactly the same, actually. P11H. P11H. Then the IC is shorted. I know, but both of them were blown. That one's blown, I've just replaced. And that one's blown. So I've got no more to replace. I've got no more. I've taken them off unless these are the same. Is that the same IC? Oh, it is, look. It's the same IC there. But I still need some, I'm still missing some components. Is that the P11H? Yeah, P110H. There's the 105 resistor. Oh, there's the, yeah, I can do it. But why did it blow? Well, both of them on here was blown. So I think maybe one blew and then it took out the other. I don't know. It's the same with the other one, the other Zeppelin that I just repaired. It was working fine. And the guy's now saying it's flashing red again. But there's no shorts on there anymore. Unless it's... Let me go into continuity. Maybe there's a diode that's gone. Well, whatever these are, I'm guessing there's some sort of drivers. They keep blowing. That one's fine. They're exactly the same. Those two chips oriented in opposite directions? Yeah, they are, yeah. You've got pin 1 here, bottom left. And then you've got pin 1 at top right. Don't think that's blown, has it? No, that's fine. I've just replaced them. So this is all fine. Just this one I've got to replace now. That's blown, that's blown. This is blown. Is it this? No, that seems fine. These, I think I tested those. Yeah. What else are these connected to? They're just all connected to each other. 105? No, 10k even. To resistance. No, 1 mega ohm even. That's 6 zeros, isn't it? 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 mega ohm. All right, let me just replace these 3 again then. Oh, hold on. I saw what blew on this other board. That's the one with the blown caps. So that blew the caps. So again, it's probably one of these that's failed and it blew this cap. These caps. This is the original board, his board, not the donor board. So that blew, which then probably sent way too much voltage to. So what fault on? That got super hot. 0 ohm resistor. Is it this that's blown? No. That's fine. What the hell? Why has this got so hot? That resistor's hot. These aren't shorted. Or high voltage blew those and the caps. Right. Well, that's obviously no good now. That's gone. Let me test this. This is the one I've just taken off. I want to see if this is still short. No. So this actually isn't short. Oh, my multimeter's off. I cannot find this piezo. Oh, really? Yeah, short. Oh, bloody hope not. Bloody hope you can. That's fine. I've got to keep taking them off of here then. Let's take it from this one. P110H. And then I'm going to, actually I'll take off the original first. The original's over here. Is that diode missing? I must have knocked the diode off. Yeah, I've knocked the diode off. I have to up the airflow a bit. Nope, we're all right, we're out. Okay, so that's dead. This is dead. And the up here's dead. Let's grab a new diode. Grab a new. Let's go for that one. stick in to my tweezers. And then this, dip the chip in rosin. No, I'll just put some flux over it in a minute and reflow it. Okay, do one of these. Okay, and now I think it's a 105, isn't it? I need. That's 102. Is it 102 or 105? It's a 102. Sorry, guys. Should check the shorts on the pads before replacing chip. It's fine. Yeah, I could have done that. Okay. Wonky chip. What are you gonna do? Alright, let's check to see if the short's gone now. Hopefully it bloody has, otherwise I've done that for no reason. Yeah, short's gone now. No more short. So we're good. We're good down here as well. That's still good. This is still good. This is okay. Can't get a reading on that. Reading nearly 10k. And this one, yeah, 10k. Reverse probes. What do you mean? Dot there, dot there. 102 should be 1k. Yeah, that's what I meant. Sorry, not 10k. Yeah, they're fine. Doesn't matter if you reverse the probe. I'm in continuity mode anyway. We're good. Hopefully that's everything. Yeah, because this one's toast. Here's original. So this is now the donor board. 1,000 ohms, 1k. Not 10k. Why I kept saying 10k, I don't know. I know what I meant. It looked the same. It's numbers, isn't it? I'm not good with numbers. I am going to have to wait until that cools down because this is toasty. This is at least over 100 degrees. That is so hot. And if it blows again, what the bloody hell keeps popping them? Ow. You have on this side also. Measure some more chips. You have on this side also. Okay. Make sure the rest are okay. Because they're all connected, I believe. Yep, they're good. They're good. They're good. They're good. That's it for those chips. Oh, what? No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. R100, 0.1 ohm, yeah, they're fine. Other side near the caps, more chips. Oh. Yeah. But they're not the same. They're not the same. These are different ones, but worth checking over, I guess. Don't know what the ground ones are on here. I think it's that one. No, that's not ground. This one? Nope. Ah. Okay, that was a ground leg. Seems fine. Seems fine. Seems fine. They seem fine. Yeah, that's definitely a ground leg. Had to double check again. Yep. Yep. That's just me hitting the probes together. It's fine. They're fine. Ground would be... This looks like ground. I could just use ground on the capacitor. Fine. 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 Yep. Also check the MOSFET diodes and PSU not to be shorted, send high voltage instead of 18 to 20 volts. Alright, hold on. Let's carry on testing these. Okay, so that's all those chips tested. Now you reckon to check the MOSFETs on here. I mean, they do look a bit golden colour, but no shorts on those legs. Is that through hole? Yeah, it is. No shorts on those ones. These diodes seem to be okay. Oh, is that resistors? Yeah. L are inductors, I guess. Any shorted on the caps here on the output? No. No shorted capacitors. What's that output? Well, no, the bridge rectifier is fine because it didn't blow my electrics. Can't be MOSFET because it's more than 3 pins. Oh, in diode mode. Point 0.5, 0.6. I think it's okay to test. All the way around. 0.5, 0.5. Seems fine. Okay. Okay. Whoa, Bitrot, hello. I think the P11OH is a MOSFET. It's labeled Q on the PCB. Well, we had that before and it didn't end up being a MOSFET on the vacuum. IOR looks sort of a logo, looks familiar for a company that makes MOSFETs. I might be though. All right, I think it's ready to test again. And if it goes bang, I'm at a loss. They're definitely the correct capacitors I've put in and replaced. Original ones, 1500, 10 volts. And they're 1500, 10 volts. What, those chips? I don't know, there's a lot of them. They're driving a lot of things. I'm guessing they're driving these. There's 6 of them. So I'm guessing these things. Which are also attached to these capacitors. So that's probably why these two blew. Because we had a short. Maybe that one had shorted and it made that pop on the other board. Power ON, yes. Yeah, I think that's all right now. Check PSU again. I'm suspecting there's something wrong on the sense higher voltage and needs to blow things. Well, we do have a bit of gold bit down here. Don't know what that means. Where is it? Lost it. That's over here. Why is that gold? Got a bit of gold on that. That's pretty, isn't it? Why would they put a bit of gold on it? If it keeps blowing them, then the fault's further down after it. They are just blowing as a protection. 5, 6, 8 connected to ground. Yeah, they're all ground on that side. One side's complete ground. Tested all these. Guess that means 0.5. Check the big THD 3-pin. Bin, yeah, let's get into that point. Check the THD 3-pin components. What are you about like these things? 3BJ, B3BT. Don't see any more. There's one. Through holes. Oh, TH is through hole. Oh, TH is through hole. All right. You can't even see what I'm testing. I'm just looking. Let me change scene. Whoops, I just span it. I hate acronyms. TVR's thermal variable resistor, right? Not really much to test on here. Big caps are fine. Ah, we've got more FETs here, or some sort. Didn't see them. It could be a diode, though. No? Oh. This is a bipolar diode. This FET here. I'm going to have to investigate on that. See what that is. Because it's shorted on the outside, what we're reading. Nah, it's not short though, is it? See what it is. It's a BTBF12. BTBF12. AC switching. Triac. Oh, it's a Triac. Right, who said look? Too many TLAs, 3-letter acronyms. You have 3 such MOSFETs or double diodes, check not shorted. Yeah, I think you meant those 3. Andy, when you get time, watch that video I sent via PM. He could not fix this main board either. He put it down to failed a DSP chip. Video in general Discord. All right, thanks, Vince. I'll have a look. Look on the output near transformer. There are 2 of them. The board looks cooked at their pins. Oh, these things. Yeah, they look very golden, but I've checked them. There's no short on them. They do look very cooked. Yeah, very golden. Yeah, I've tested them. They're fine. It's a thyristor surge processors. I can't say that word. Suppressors. That's it. Damn it. I've accidentally put my Chrome in some weird mode. How do I get it out of it? Got it. This is a Triac series for general purpose AC switching. It can be used as an on-off function applications such as static relays, heating regulations, induction motor circuits, phase controls, light dimmers, motor speed controllers, blah, 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 blah. And the pin out. Oh, don't know what that is. A1, A2, and G. So it's ground and A1. What? Now, I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Hey, Peter. So I might just take it down. What are they? They are TLP 31A. Let's put it down. Can't hardly see that. No, gate A1, A2. Oh, they're gates. Okay. Oh, TIP 31A. Tip. Oh, it's one of them. It's tip 31. I got them and tip 32s. What's that one? Ah, it's a tip 32. There you go. Sorry, Turco. Turn your volume down. Hey. Oh, I know these two. I've got replacement of these. Shall I replace them? Yeah, I've got these. Used it to fix that sub. But they're fine. They're probably fine. No point replacing them. There's no shorts on them. They do cook. I could test it, actually. Yeah, they're NPN and PNPs. No, I was kidding with the guy who wrote in all caps. Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, Ank. I don't know what you said. Galaxy Century Microelectronics Co. Limited. Oh, I know these two, and I've got them. They are 100% transistors. I mean, I could test one because they do get hot, as we know from the other thing. But no way should it blow. Yeah, let's do it because it's easy to take out. Might as well take one out because they're paired. I know they're paired. Test them. Yeah, I know they're paired. So, where is it? The thing is, I don't want to spend much time on this because it's nearly 4 o'clock. I'll have to come back to it. So I've still got controllers to do. But they're only VR headset controllers. Come on, beep. Okay. Now I could safely extract this. Ow. That's hot. Did I leave my tester out? For God's sake, why do I keep putting shit somewhere and forget where I put it? Where's my tester board? Tester machine. Oh, there it is. It's a Bluetooth speaker, Wi-Fi speaker, portable speaker. Well, not really portable because it's not battery operated. And one's just blew up on me and smoked and stank. Yeah, that's reading fine. I've ordered low solder. Oh, nice. You're welcome. Just make sure you. I don't know if you chose the one stick. So that one read okay. We're sorry for the long, really far distance. I'll try and zoom you in a bit more. 50 amp surge protection. That's quite high, isn't it? What does it say on there? What the? Is it the 500? 100 temp. There's my silver line. It's over here. This board does smell old. All that vaping. What? I just fell out. Ha! Oh. Okay, this is the matching pair, or the complementary pair. Yeah, that's fine as well. PNP. Was that the door? Yeah. Be right back. 2 seconds, buddy. I'm on my way. Don't know who he is. One, two, three. All fucking day I've been on the speaker. Sort of. Kind of done with it. Got that Xbox. It still stinks of here, that capacitor. It's a well nice one. It's got spots all over it. No, it's a very, very pretty one. Specks all over it. I like it. Oh, what's 4 p.m? Yeah, that's what time it is in the UK. No, it's 4. Right, where was I soldering this back on when I... they are complementary, but with a gain of 30 on and on one and 300 on the other, so they're not matched. Usually, this is only necessary for the output side of classic alpha. Ah, okay, cool. Cool. I'm just ready to test. Yo, Arion, you've already been here. And I've run out of juice in my vape. I need to fill it up. I'm just going to go test it, guys. And if that's it, it don't work, or it blows up, then I'm going to come back to it again tomorrow. I've got other things to do. Been on it for way too long. Just supposed to be a simple bloody capacitor replacement. More flames? Maybe, Aussie. At least the board's cooled down now, because it was really hot, wasn't it? Okay. A bloody ribbon cable.
Andy's the best.
For God's sake. Oh, who's that? There are quite a few electronics from... Yeah, I know. I don't know why. It's like no one really likes to live stream what they do because they probably get a load of hate. And you get a load of keyboard warriors saying, oh, yeah, you're shit, blah, blah, blah. But us British don't care. I don't know. First time watching me in action. Pretty cool. Oh, really, Turco? Oh, hello. I've seen you before, though, haven't I? Or not? I thought I've seen you somewhere else. Maybe on Joey's? Or that's the only person that does live stream. Oh, and PCDD. Very true, mister. Stop crying. It's okay. It's all right, Aussie. What, Aussie? Plugged in. Plugged in. Plugged in. Again, I'm going to do the same thing by powering it on, but without the switch plugged in. No, the switch is plugged in. Just leave it open like that, see what happens. Okay, I think that's everything plugged in, what I need it to be. Just like that, and then plug in the power.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? I've got the time. Okay. Right. Okay, I think it's like that. Is it still popping caps? I don't know. This is the second time trying it. This is on a different board. I've got a different board in there. The other one was completely gone. It had burnt resistor at the back of the board. And it popped. Never seen Andy fix it. Oi! Vince, first time for me too. Until a year ago, I lived down the M4 at Reading. Oh, Vince. Hello, Vince. That's not the same Vince. That's not Vince F, is it? Oh, welcome, by the way. What's this? Notification, just Discord. Vince, is that you? Vince F. So many Vinces. Oh, I can zoom out on this bit. Oh no, we'll leave you zoomed in just in case you see something. Safety goggles on. My dim bulb tester. Hopefully you got, oh man, you can't really see it, but right, power lead is plugged in. Dim bulb tester is plugged in and off. Bypass is off. Power's now gone in. And watch for a bang. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. So far, so good. It only flashed once this time. It didn't pulse twice like it did before. Time to press the power button. Pressing the power button. If I can get my hand in there. Okay, ready, set, and nope. Power button pressed. Still nothing. Might be fixed. I don't know yet. Hold on. But there's no explosions or pops. I am pressing power button. It's not doing anything. Okay. It's not dead. It just needs the rest of it plugged in. Okay. Because I've not got this Wi-Fi module plugged in or anything. Maybe I should have done that. I will put it back together fully. See what happens. And I'm wearing goggles because I've already had a capacitor explode on me. Yeah. Oh, for God's sake. All right, I'll plug in the Wi-Fi module. There, okay. I'll have to try that again now. Is it powered up? I don't know without the rest of it plugged in because there's no LED indicator unless you plug it like this main bit here, which is not plugged in yet. My main concern is to see if it pops before I do plug it all in. Right, okay, here we go again. Off, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we've got a brief flash of the dim bulb tester. Oh, come on, man. Ugh. Who's that? 2 seconds, I'm on my way. Don't know who she is. Ugh. Hi.
Is it okay if I have something being cut?
Go to sleep. I love you. There was another customer. I think I should have somebody else at 5:30, unless that is the time. So if I can't do this, I'm going to have to move it on. Because this is the only one that's been sitting on the back burner now. I've got nothing else on the back burner. They're just PS5 controllers anyway. We love you too, Andy. Hoover lady, no. I need to fill up my vape, guys, sorry. Desperado. Legend. There's a plug that isn't in. Yeah, does it all need to be plugged in for it to actually power on? I can't even remember where that plug went. Oh yeah, it plugs over there. Oh, for God's sake. Is it off? Yeah, we're off at the minute. No, she didn't bring a gift. Sorry, I need a couple of puffs on these. Vince, yeah, sorry, Vince, I missed. Is this the same Vince as on Discord, or is this another Vince? Oh, for God's sake. There, now it's all in. Vape, yes, grass pedal. Although my coil's burnt. I think I've got to wait for this to evaporate, otherwise I won't know if it's smoking or if it's just my vape. Right. Hello, Gozzy. Here we go. Ready? Is it plugged in? Yeah. Am I plugged in on that? Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Still pretty good? We're okay? Yeah. Yeah, you saw a flash. That was my dim bulb tester. Chill, 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 chill. That was just my dim bulb tester flashing once. Watch. See? No, the board didn't flash. It was the reflection of my bulb. Yeah, I need safety glasses because it went pop on me earlier. It did. Look, I'll do it again. Yeah, you'll see probably it bouncing from the back of the board. Ready? Wait for it to drain its current. Here we go. See, did you see that? It flashed. That was just my dim bulb tester. Okay, well, I think it's okay. I'll press the power button. 3, 2, 1. Seems okay. I'll press power. Seems to be okay, I think. I don't know. Let me put the rest of it together. I don't know until I plug this in. I don't know until I plug this in. This tells me things. Let's do that. Right, we're unplugged. Plugged in. Got 2 more plugs to go in, and it's this. And I always forget which way around it goes. Yeah, this way. This one goes into here. Okay, it's plugged in, and now this back one. Right, that's plugged in. So that's everything now plugged in. And what I want to see is a flashing light on there. Can someone please call? Shut up, CG. Leave it like that. Hopefully you'll be able to see from some flashing. Okay, plugging it into my dim bulb tester, which is in my hand. We're plugged in. 3, 2, 1. It flashed briefly. Are we getting a red light? We're getting a red light, see it? It's pulsing. Will it go a different colour? We'll pulse in. Pulse in. Stand by. Is it going to go into normal mode? Is it going to power up? Or have I got to press the power button? Yep, we're flashing. We're flashing. That's a good sign. Dim bulb light's not lit up. No explosions. Okay. I think that's okay. We're in like a purple colour flashing light. I think it's fixed. I think.
Andy's the best.
This is what it did before last time, and then I plugged in some audio. Make it play something. Connect to it. Okay. Do I just search for it on my phone? I didn't know how to use this. It's not exploding, so that's good. Great. Can I come on Friday 4 p.m.? Friday. What day? We're only on Monday. Yes, mate. That's fine. Yes, that's fine, mate. Thank you. Take the good Wi-Fi cable. No. Play Friday. You have to purchase the Bluetooth receiver to pair your phone, don't you? I don't know. Who did the look? Oh, Sergio. Play Led Zeppelin. Right, so I think it's fine because we're flashing. I've got an aux cable. That's how I tested the last one. So, and this is Wi-Fi, so I'll have to connect to my Wi-Fi, which I'm way too far away from my router. So the only option I got is aux. I'm afraid, guys. Do I have to allow to give it full current for it to work? Or would it still work while it's restricted? Here's my aux cable. So what made the other ones pop last time then? The other be okay. I wonder what made the other one pop though. Why did it explode? As soon as I replaced those capacitors, it was like, nope. Because it's an older model. You don't have a Wi-Fi cable. What the hell's a Wi-Fi cable? I've never heard of a Wi-Fi cable. Then you'll need a Bluetooth cable. What's a Wi-Fi cable? You know what Wi-Fi is, yeah? But the yellow one, it can transmit more power. You want a power? Shut up, CG. A wireless, whatever that is. Oh, an Ethernet. Oh, I know what an Ethernet cable is. Not a Wi-Fi cable.
A really small one.
Have you, James? Right, plugging it in. Plugged in. It's recognized it. It said, what device has you plugged in? So I put headphones. Okay. It's detected. Okay, here we go. I don't know if it's on. Okay. New notification. Let me select headphones. Oh, can't hear anything. There's no sound. All right, okay, so I'm going to use my remote, change the source. Did it change color? We're on solid orange now. What color aux is using input? Yeah, what color? Oh, there you go, got sound. I heard sound. It's fixed. Oh,
That's good.
what? I wasn't speaking to that. Look, I'll play something on the YouTubes. Let's play a bit of, I don't know, what should we play? I don't want it to be too loud. Let me turn it down a bit. Play some MC Hammer. No, because I'm going to have to keep shouting, copyright. Copyright. Thanks for the spam in the hearts. I don't know what to play. Can't touch this. Zeppelin, Led Zeppelin. If I get demonetized or even copyright striked, I'm going to cry. Ready? Can you hear that? Oh, I just pressed the power button. God damn it. I've just turned it off. Back on again. There you go. Copyright.
Oh no!
Copyright. 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 Yeah, we love copyright. Yeah, copyright. Copyright. Woo. Okay, there you go. Right, okay. So it works. Cool. Are you winning yet? Yes, Chris, it's fixed. But this, what happened to the last one? That's without the full current, by the way. That's with the dim bulb protection through. Thank you. Does it have bass? It will if I put it back together. That's a good shout, actually. Did it have bass? Damn it, now I've got to try it. I might have to mute my microphone for this. Let's try a good bassy song. Ventru, sorry. It's really hard. Everyone keeps chatting. Stop chatting. Bass boosted. That was a very old Led Zeppelin song. They don't really have bass on it. There we go. Is it turned on? Yeah, it's on.
Commencing at the siren, fathers and
Copyright. Yeah, but it's so quiet though. Yeah, there is bass. I can feel it. Yeah, copyright. 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 Well, there's no way to test it unless I put it back together, is there? Right, let's turn it off. You had a black screen the whole time. Sorry. Stop spamming. Right, powered off. So now this is fixed. Unplug that. Click hearts instead of chatting. He looked, no, please, no hearts. Because you could turn these up full blast and they do not distort or anything. How long have I been bloody doing this speaker for? I know it's a different motherboard. Because the other one just completely went for no reason at all. It still smells fishy. Did I hear an emergency alert? Yes, it was. I tried to copyright it. Stop with the hearts. I will disable them. I'm going to disable them. Right, we'll be careful because that's probably charged. Which I think it's probably a good idea if I discharge it. Yeah, Andy, you're so smart. Oh, thank you. Oh, it was discharged anyway. Okay.
Andy's the best.
Thanks, Russ. Now I've got to screw it all back together. That goes
I've
in
got
there.
a really small one.
Have you, James? Have you? You wouldn't dare. Heart rate? Heart hate? Yeah, it's just when they constantly spam it, I see on my screen just loads of floating hearts all the time. That's for the Hoover. This would be for here. Okay, that's the main board screwed down. Now I need to add the fluff back in. Where did the other fluff go? What the fluff? Where did my other fluff go? How could you lose a pile of fluff? Oh, there it is. I don't like that kind of girly stuff. Oh, do you not? I don't mind it, especially when I dress up as a woman, which is only the once. I didn't mind that. Can we get a little pink piggies instead of little hearts? No, I don't think you could have that. All right, that's sat in there. Okay, so then this sandwiches like that. That was back a bit more because it allowed me to have a view. God damn it. Like that. I had this issue the other day. Trying to get it to clamp down. Ugh. Oi, stop retracting your messages. Simon, gaffer tape, yeah. No, it's just got to be clipped in a certain way and it's frustrating as hell. Is that it? Are we in? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, like that. But I need to screw it down. Pretty sure. Yeah, just like that. Okay. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. Made in China, yeah. Okay, that's one side in. Okay. Tighten this one up a bit more. That's as tight as it goes. No, this is where I've got to be careful of the tweeters. Oh. Okay. Be careful of the tweeters. Slightly pushed one in there, but it's recovered. It's okay. I've got to be careful. Oh no. Yeah, it's fine. Now I've got to put the rest of it in. Be so careful with them. You bugger. Oh no, is this a job for... No, I think I could do it. No, how did I do it last time? Look at this. Oh my giant. Did you suck? I did, yes. I had to get the Hoover. And what's lucky is I've got different suction settings on it. From like hard flooring to carpet to curtains to silent. And I started off from the lowest and just kept going up and up and up so I didn't rip it out. Vince, B&W are usually high-end make. Have B&W speakers, they are great. Oh, was that supposed to rhyme? Yes, mid-level quality. Yeah. It's only on torque setting 2, by the way. Just to let you know. So I'm not over tightening them. Does it not have a speaker setting on your Hoover? Send it back. It's actually one of those 1600 watt ones. Where didn't they ban them now or stop making 1600 watts? I think so. And it has got a tear there. All right, let me get those covers on before I do any damage. Nice. Nice. So no more damage can be done. This could be plugged back in there. Nice. Now, where's the screws for these? Why didn't I see any screws for the... Oh, yeah, I did. They're on the base. Don't you have a spare one to swap it with? What are we on about? Flexible shoe glue. What's that? Flexible shoe glue? What, to fix the speaker? Oh, you're on about the speaker? No, I don't. I don't have a spare one. B&W. I keep saying BMW. B&W, made in Sussex. No one gets those fixed in the US unless there's theirs or family members. Why is that? just people don't like working on stuff like this. The crack. Yeah. I'll let him know. I'll advise him about it. I mean, I've got one of these coming for myself, so if I'm unable to repair it, I will be like, hey mate, look, you want this to sound really good, you need to replace this split speaker. I could sell you one for £600 per speaker. I'm getting angry. I'm getting very angry. Too costly to repair. Oh, really? Like I said, everything's so cheap in the UK. It's ridiculous. Like, you see all these people repairing old Xboxes and stuff and 1Ss, and it's like, why? You could buy them for 30 quid. Shugley or Gorilla Silicone on the speaker. Tear. Oh, really? Soren says otherwise. Right, that's everything plugged in. I just need to squish it down. There you go. And we need, I think it was little ones here. Like that. Wait. No, that's the wrong one. It's this little one. Yeah, I have to hand do them. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. I think labour may be cheaper in Europe. Yeah. Why is that sitting up so high? Something's not right with that. It's getting stuck on something. Repair cost has to be quarter or less than the price of a new one. Yeah. Andy is keeping the prices down. Well, I think that might be the issue there. Now is it going to sit down? Yeah, now it's sat down. Good. Yeah, I might start lifting my prices up a bit. Why are you popping up like that? Right, do the big screws first then. That might be easier. Do the big chunky screws first. It's getting hot. I tried to fix everything, even the missus has replaced it. Oh, really? That's cool. That's good. It's always good. I would do cross screws. What's that? Unless what I've just done, yeah. And then we've got two more. We've got two small ones there and slightly bigger ones there. It's fine. It's flat now. We are vacuum rates at the power of now. Wait, what? We are at vacuum rates on this.
A really small one.
Have you, James? What do you mean by that? Cool. Might as well stick this on there as well then. Right, so this should be it then. One final test. So confusing. Right, power. This is the first time plugging it directly into mains. not through the dim bulb tester, because we know it works. If it blows because it's from the mains, and rip. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're plugged in. We're getting a light. We've got a red light. Pulse in. We'll wait for it to power up and start blinking. Oh, bye, Ricochet. Don't say bang. Better not do. I shit myself. Please don't blink constant red. Yay, fixed. And let me choose orange. No? Why is the power button not work? How do you change source? Do you just tap? How do you change the source? Does anyone know? I know how to do it with the remote. You just press the source button. So I can make it go orange. No, it's just flashing purple. Power? I can't remember. Neither can I. iPod, I think. Power. It won't change. Now it's constantly flashing purple. There's no aux cable. Perhaps it's sending. Oh, I heard a little pop when it was turning off. Yeah, maybe let me try and put in an aux cable. Did I plug in that ribbon cable in the end? Did I plug in the ribbon cable? I plugged in 2. I don't know if I plugged in the other one. Oh, don't see I forgot to plug in the aux cable. That's probably why it's not allowing me to select it. Because it was working a minute ago. Alright, let me plug in an aux cable. I think it changed to orange last time. Yeah, now it's gone orange. Okay. So it has to have something in. Alright, okay, that's weird. I really need to read the instructions on this. So it has to have something connected to detect it. It's now orange as soon as I plugged in the aux cable and pressed the power button. Now I could switch between purple and orange. Does it have Bluetooth? Apparently, I don't know. I don't know if it's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I'm pretty sure it was just Wi-Fi. Read the instructions. Can't play if there's no. No, I know, but I thought you could still select the input. But obviously not. It's been picky. Ow, that's my head. Right, plugged in. I heard a nice hum. It went. Burp. The Bluetooth adapter plugs in the back. Right, so it is Wi-Fi only. Okay. I plugged in headphones. There you go. I could hear sound from it. I am going to quickly play a normal song to make sure it sounds good without you guys listening. Fear of the dark again. And because I know. Here we go. Yeah, that sounds good. Copyright. Hold on, guys. Gonna boost it up. Copyright. Sounds nice. Copyright. That sounds nice, man. I do like it a lot. La 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 la. Copyright. Copyright. We love. Sorry. Yeah, that sounds nice, guys. It does sound so clean. So clean. I absolutely love it. Right, so that's fixed. How long for? I don't know. I'm gonna test it a bit longer because I don't want the guy getting it back and then it's suddenly saying it's not working for him again. Oh shit, it's still playing through my PC. Copyright. There you go. Great fix. Oh, honestly, that was an annoying fix. Thank you. I'm glad that's out of my face again. What? What did I miss? Full details. Nick. Well, the original board that the caps blew, it went completely. It went kabang. Like it blew components at the back. It was like charred. Two capacitors were obviously exploded. It also blew some of these other two audio chips, whatever the hell they're for, some sort of MOSFET drivers. Drivers for something. So then I've used the donor board that Vince sent, diagnosed that, and I had 2 failed chips. And I tested a few more components around, and yeah, replaced that. So now, that's it for that. Don't worry, I'm still going to continue. Sugar, spice, everything nice. Yeah, no chatting. Oh man, this is a mess. So what do you guys want me to do next? Right, you've got a choice. Xbox One X with beep on off, or we got PS5 controllers. And this is still a donor board. Yeah, this is the other board that blew its cap. Look, it's got completely kaboomed there. This resistor is literally hanging on for its life, and I think it blew 2 of these. So I nicked one from there. And also those 2 caps exploded. It literally went bang. Poll, everyone wants Xbox. How about 42 Samsung 4K monitor? No, thank you. I can't do TV stuffs. Nice video, Andy. Take a video for the customer. Thanks, Vince. Xbox. Wow, everyone wants me to do Xboxes. They're not even worth much anymore. Yeah, that's fine. I'll do it. Yeah, I don't want to make videos. I'm not even into it, really. But I fixed the power supply on that one because that was originally the issue, I guess. But then when it sent full power to the main board, kabam. Which what I find strange. Very, very strange. Why, once I replaced fixed the power supply on that, it blew up. Sloth. Hello, Sloth. How about a poll? What shall I repair next? Well, everyone else has already put some Xboxes in there. On those base of the Zeppelin was a power data labeled, and if it's 2 amp draw, then there's no surprise that the dim bulb tester was glowing dimly. On the base of the Zeppelin was a power data label, and if it is 2 amp draw, then there's no surprise the dim bulb was glowing dimly. Right, okay. But you saying that, why when I repaired the other board, it wasn't glowing dimly? This time round, it wasn't glowing dimly. So it's still drawing too much current than what it should have been. Thanks for the stream, sir. I enjoyed it. Oh, thank you, Turco. You're welcome. I'm not finished yet. I'm going to do a stupid Xbox. I said to him I won't be able to start it till tomorrow because I thought I'll still be doing this speaker, but it turns out the speaker is fixed. Again, thanks to Vince for his donor board. So it seems like that is definitely a common issue with these speakers, are those chips at the back and capacitors. So that's good to know. I am finished. Breakfast time. Breakfast? What time is it there? No, I haven't, Rick. I think I got a notification saying it's out for delivery. Not out for delivery. What you call it? eBay purchases. Even my drop links have not arrived, been dispatched yet. £28.49, tracking available. I think it's through Every. Oh, we have your parcel and it's on its way. It's in Ipswich. tomorrow, most likely. Tomorrow or Wednesday. Yeah, I'll see you all at 9:45 a.m. Bloody hell, see you soon. Time for Andrew to show up. Why, what's wrong with Andrew? Oh, for this Xbox, yeah. This is a very nice one, so I am going to try and clean my mat down a little bit more because it does have little bits of crumbs on it. Now, I've never diagnosed an Xbox One X with no power. I've done Series X's and S's. Well, not no power as such, it's beep on off, but I've never done a 1X, so this will be new to me. I'm not charging the customer for diagnosing because this is one, it's the first time you're doing it, and two, yeah, it's not even worth that much. So this will be interesting. No, it's beep on off, so it goes and then shuts off. Still need to tidy up a bit. Right, some spare capacitors. They could go with my other caps. This goes in there. These old caps can go because the power supply now works. Thermal cam. Retimer. You still think it's a retimer issue, CG? Now that I don't have a spare of. He said it was working, then suddenly it just shut off. 158, yeah, I don't have them. I bought two before because one blew straight away. Weird noise from PSU. 30-second is HDD. Yeah, I know that one. Let me try it. No dim bulb needed for this. Plugged in. I hear the hard drive spinning. That don't sound good. What's that buzzing? It's buzzing. That's the power supply. His power supply is buzzing. Yeah. Do you reckon his power supply's main cap is failing? Yeah, that's a power supply then. Alright, I'm gonna have to open it up and test the power supply. Yeah, it's definitely gone. That should be buzzing like that. Main cap is failing on the power supply. Wow. Just replaced the main filter cap. What, on the power supply? Do you know the readings of it before I open it up? Test C50 or 52 in resistance mode. More than 2K is good, lower is bad. Okay, inside the. You really want me to go inside the power supply? It's arcing. Yeah, it is arcing. It doesn't sound good at all. Oh no, I don't like power supplies. Right, so I take it that's the warranty sticker under here. I'll try and avoid damaging it. Nah, I'm joking. I actually like power supplies. Don't know why. I'm just weird. Was so easy. Okay, no, I'll do it. No, don't worry. I'll give it a go. I actually don't mind power supplies. You saw me do that with Zeppelin one. I know, exactly, Simon. Yeah, that's what I mean. I don't mind them. Whoops. Now, last time I did this, I was screwing, wasn't I? I was really angry because I couldn't get this lid back on. So I'm hoping it's not the same. To put back on. That was so easy to take off, but putting it back on is another story. Title, for God's sake. Zap. Happy? What? Look, Andy doesn't get angry. Simon, on the other hand.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? I think this was short, short, long. Or long, long, short. Yeah. Be careful with this, but yeah, I know. Thank you. You're on about this thing. Yes. Or unless you're on about this thing. God, these tweezers are done for. Yeah. Great actor, not fun to receive. Who made that? Who made that command? Cool, that's getting hot. This is dusty. Who are your mods? Falcon and Pico. Well, that's a long boy. I'm sure none of them are here right now. They never are. Nah, they got their own stuff to do. Okay, let's take this out. Already disconnected that, so that's good. Squish here? No, I haven't seen him all day. He was, but he doesn't stay in my streams very long. Now it's the main screws, the main base screws. Here we go. Yo, Tyler's back again. What's up, Tyler? Worms is not a good mod. There, see, Falcon is here. He's always lurking. There you go. Is that all of them? I believe so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it is. Yeah. I think so too, Andy. No, maybe there's still one more in this corner. Is that corner one of them? It still seems to be stuck. Sai was a mod. Yeah, he's not anymore. That's why he's gone full rogue against me. I think he's had an issue ever since. So why is that not unclipping on this side? Huh? Why are you not sliding out, sir? What? Oh, there you go. Now it's come out. Just needed a wiggle. Yeah, Simon's gone all rogue completely. So surprised he's not left my server on Discord. Squish is a modern MK stream. Yeah, he is. I don't need mods, I don't think. Maybe, well, I do, but you guys are just great. Hey, Sam Smith, sing us a song. Do it, do it, do it. Who's Sam Smith? Carthor is a mod. Oh, Carthor's a mod as well. Carthor, are you a mod as well? Right, I'm unmodding him. Maybe I have three mods then. I know Falcon and Pico is. I guess Carthor is too. Main cap short in drawing lots of current. I don't know. Still trying to open it up. Remember, shorts on not the power supply side. No, the short's on the... Yeah, the shorter one's on the power supply side.
I've got a really small
Have
one.
you, James? Well, I can tell this has not been opened before. Oh, Jesus. That was well and truly in there. Ugh, am I still missing something? No, that should come up. God, what the fudge? Oh, there we go. Well, these like glued down to begin with or something. There must be. Oh, that's where that goes. Ugh. Got it. This. That's what caused me issues last time. Big issues. I never knew where it came from, but now I know it just sits down there. Whoops, what it did. Not anymore. That literally just sits down there. Well, I'll worry about that when I come to it. Okay, so you reckon it's the power? Put it back on. Put what back on? On the case. It goes on the case. Yeah, I'll figure it out when I come back to it. It's like over here, right? Like that. Yeah, I'll figure it out when I come back to it. It's fine. I'll line it back up. All right, thank you. Well, it's getting dusty, the black thing. Okay, so it goes this first. No, it doesn't. It goes power supply first. What the fudge? Need to unscrew the screws. Nothing's going to come out without that, is it? What an idiot. That look gave you a LMAO. Yeah. All right, power supply is... Where is the power supply? What the this one. See, now where's this one come from? Two screws left. Nope, still not coming out. Or are you just a tight fit, or unless you're that? No, that's for that. Oh, do you know what? I was going to take it all out. Also from the shell. Oh, is it? Well, that's annoying. I'm just going to take all the screws out. They need to undo anyway. How are you doing, Andy? Yeah, I'm good, thank you, Red Dragon. How come you keep changing your name? Hello, Red Dragon. You okay, buddy? I'm doing good. Sits on the HDMI. That wasn't in the last one I'd done. Okay, that's all the bottom screws now, so it should all come out nicely. Move that. This should come up. No. Oh, yeah, I just had to tug it. Could have said I could have just pulled it. Oh, CG might be behind. I don't know. All right, let's get this power supply out. God, it's all crumbly. It is all crumbly. Look, it's just disintegrating. Okay, so you reckon it's one of the main filter caps in the power supply. Oh, look, another one. Oh, man, I give up with these little things. Right, how easy are these to get into? Is Is it just prying? Shall I test the voltage first? Lift the fan. Yeah, CG, you're behind, man. Very easy. It's clipped. CG, are you behind? Can I do a number test just for you? Number between 1 and 20. 17. 1, 2. Oh, you're not. No, never mind. It's fine. Don't worry, I'm not doing it, so don't bother. Oh, too late you did. Yeah, you're not behind anyway. Very easy. It's clipped. Okay. Let's go with a plastic spludger or spudger. Take it. I need to separate this, or I could just fold it over. I should test the power supply first, seeing if it's even getting 12 volts. All right, let's go full metal jacket. It's clipped. Come on, man. Should have a big metal object in there real good. Well, it's got insulation, so I'm okay. It's not unclipping. You guys are lying. Why you always lying? Oh, get out, get out, get out. There you go. It's like to do a bit more brute force. Told you, very easy. Yeah, C4, C4. What's C4? Ugh. This is worse than the PlayStation 5s. Ugh. There we go. All right, okay, we're in. That was easy. Right, so you reckon it's this huge cap? Well, I don't have one of them. Wait, what did you say it was? C... Now, I know what C4s are, but why are you saying C4, C4 twice? Is it this big boy, you reckon? Let me discharge that first. All right, we're looking for some sort of red light. No, it's dead. There's no charge in it. Blow it up. Yeah, one of the legs are coming. Will be coming off. Oh, it looks all right. See, I don't have a spare one either. I've got a Series X power supply. $420 volts, 150 microfarad. Yeah, you reckon it is that cap though? Well, it's dead now. There's no power to it, so should be good. Does this just pull out, or is this also on clips? Well, that's bent. It's glued in. Okay, that bit of glue off. Guess I'm gonna have to replace this with a bit of hot glue after. Glue off. I think we're good now. Should be able to lift it up. No. Ugh. Yes, it's coming. It's coming. The fudge you stuck on. There we go. There we go. Easy pizza. Never verified it was dead. What do you mean by dead? I discharged. Oh, okay. I discharged the cap, but I'll verify it. Sorry. I have trust in my discharging tool. It's never let me down. Yeah, dead. Nothing. She dead, Jim. Let's pull it up. Oh, I'm gonna have to take this back plate off. Let me remove this putty first. What is it? Cap day today? I swear it is. It is cap day. Oh, today is cap issues. Never energized. Usually the discharge tool leaves a couple of... Yeah, it usually leaves 7 volts for mine. Mine's around 7 volts. Alright, let's unsolder... Where's the solder joints on this bit? Got one solder joint there. I think the other one's down there. It's hard to tell. Need to give it a brush. Use tongue like in 9-volt battery. No, he means whether PSU was outputting 12 volts. Oh! Well, should we test it? We've got the prongs there to test. But it's making a horrible buzzing noise, so let's give it a go. It is crackling. I could hear it crackling though. It's making this horrible crackling noise. Very staticky. Yeah, I could hear something crackling. Yeah, it's making a... I'll try to put my mic towards it so you guys can hear it. I know it works. Oh, why is that just kicked on? Let's turn off the noise cancelling so you get a better volume. Wait for my thing to finish crackling. Come on, turn off. Listen, ready? Can you hear that? So I reckon when it's under load, you hear bacon. Oh yeah, it's a Geiger counter. Isn't that for like contaminants or something? Chemicals in the air or whatever it's called. The ones that clicks. It's cooking lunch. What do you guys like? So I think when it goes under load, it's like nope. So obviously it takes power when you plug in for the fan and the boot sequence. But I'll continue testing that capacitor. Or maybe me just moving that capacitor up had fixed it. Looking for a red light on there? No. How's that drained already? No way. Unless that's not hitting up 400 volts. No way is that dead already. It's called a clue. Yeah. What? Yeah, depleted. It's gone. Not holding anything. I bet one of those... Maybe if I stand it up, it'll probably connect again. No, still dead. I bet one of its legs stay behind when you desolder it. You reckon? Very common with these, huh? Let's get into it then. What? Chest testing? What's that? Nuclear. Yeah, that's it. Stupid shield. Yeah. Who else can't stay live? Joe and 8-bit Chris. Damn, 30 seconds behind. I can't keep up. Yeah, I think it's only every time you get a... Damn. Oh, they've glued it down as well. Oh no, there you go. That's desoldered. And then this one. I think it's every time you get an ad. Is this the right one? Okay, this is taking more heat. Okay, needs more solder. Ad does push me back. I changed quality to potato. What? Staying live right now though. Oh. Let me know if there's an ad that gets pushed and then it puts you behind. Hello? There you go. Bloody hell. Oh, I see. This is a big long one. Okay. This is a big long one. So what else are you stuck down on then? Is it literally just stuck down?
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Yeah, stuck on pads. Okay. There you go. Well, that's not going to bloody sit very straight back on there, is it? Right, so you reckon it's these big two boys here? They all like the big one. Yeah, we do. Thank you, Grass. And what? Andy with an attitude. I let it fall behind on purpose so I could fast forward through the boring bits. You are joking, you little shit. It's all entertaining. What do you mean? More likely caps under the heat shield that don't get enough air circulation are bad. There is no caps underneath here. Unless you're on about the SMD caps. Anyway, let's get this out. Come on. Is it that glue? For God's sake, it's not that bloody glue. Be careful I don't scratch it too much because of the PCB. Is that bulged? No, no bulging. It's coming. There you go. Right, we're out. Both legs are still intact. Discharge it just to make sure. ESR's quiz. Oh yeah, of course. ESR quiz. Okay, so this is a 150 microfarad capacitor rated at 420 volts. Guess the ESR. No, they don't spec. I know, I noticed that the other day. Because what was it that was bulged? That wasn't oh yeah, that sub. You reckon? What about ESR? Is it ESR or the value we're going by this time? 3 ohms. I don't know what it should be for that high voltage. The capacitance is between 128 and 150. That's really good. That's really good though, Sergio. So you're guessing this is a good one. 6 ohms. I reckon it's fine as well. Going to test goods. Yeah, I reckon it's fine. 2 and 1. Here we go. It's a good cap. What? What? Let's try another one. Put it in 3 and 2. Leg is disconnected. Yeah? Wow, Nandor's right. A leg must be disconnected. Oh my god. Points go to Nandor. Check UF using multimeter. Okay. Yeah, just push it in a bit more. Nah, to be fair, it wasn't charging ever, was it? Some need sticking further down. Oof. Okay, I'll try push it down as hard as I can. So we're in 2 and 2, which won't work. We'll do 3 and 2. No, still the same. Replace Andy with Nandor. Oi! Okay, let's go into capacitance. So this should be 150 microfarad. Wait for it to update. It should have updated by now. Nandy, yeah, leg is just as prosthetic. You guys, yeah, that's not updating. That's not going to 150. It is open. Damn, yet we still get 12 Vs. Almost any big filtering cap does the job. Yeah, but what? Yeah, but I need it that rating, right? 150 UF. I mean, I've got series. No, I chucked them. I was gonna say I've got some Series X's power supplies, but. At least it gave up without exploding. Yeah, little shit. Do you know what? I didn't see which one's negative and positive. Okay. Oh no, panic. I think it might have been that way. Yeah. And there's no indication on this one. Well, going by the glue, I'm pretty sure it's glued to there. So negative would be on this side. Does your blimp donor board have one? I don't have a blimp donor board. Oh, this one. No, this is the only donor board I've got. There's no big caps on it. This is the main motherboard, not the power supply board. It's shorted internally. Oh, I could check ohms just quick, see if we get any 0 ohms. I'm just gonna have to order one. Yeah, look, it's literally open. Getting zilch from it. Strap on the outside. Thank you. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Cheers, man. Appreciate it, buddy. Trying to think. What other power supplies do I have? What about the projector? Joking. Nope. Nah, guys, I think I'm just gonna have to order another one. No bad console. No, I chucked them all because they're the Series X's. Yeah, thanks, Nandor, by the way. This cap is 450 volts. It says 420. It's 420 volts, you liar. I know you could go higher on the voltage anyway, so it doesn't matter. I think your cap's now blow internally. Andy must mute himself for 5 minutes for using the words we do not speak. Yes, I know. Well, I think that's going to be it then, guys, until tomorrow. I will order one of these on Amazon, so I'll get it tomorrow. And hopefully it don't go bang. Because how much is it for a new power supply? I don't know if it's worth just getting a brand new power supply. They sell them on Amazon as well. I like a quick turnaround. Thanks for the stream. No, hold on. Might as well order for free of the yes. 1X PSU. 30 to $40. £47. You're fucking kidding me. I'm paying that price. It'd be worth it then. The best off just buying a capacitor. What's that? That's for a 1S. That's not a 1X. It can really bang hard if you solder the polarity in backwards. Yeah. Lucky enough, I didn't do that, and that's not why it blew. 1X PSU. Yeah. Might as well repair it. Still £37, £38. £38. Are you mad? Yeah, 38 is the cheapest I could see. So yeah, definitely worth repairing. Right, so I'll order a new one of these, or a few of these. I'll leave it as it is in a minute. Tomorrow I'll put it all back together. I still need to do some VR controllers. Let me just quickly show you. I don't know if the guy said he replaced the analog sticks. He's already paid me the donkey. I don't know why he's done that. I hate when he does that. Oh, who's that? Oh, that's for the PS5. Hold on. Okay, got PS5. This is a disk drive issue. Dead laser, potentially. I said to him I won't order it, the laser, until I get the console or the drive itself. I said to him I could take the drive out for you and you could still have your console, so you've got something to play while I'm waiting for the part. Nope, he was happy, just give me the whole console. So he's going to be without that for a few days. Got to match or beat the voltage. Oh yeah, I was going to show you the VR stuff quick. I don't know if anyone knows. He told me these are VR2 controllers, so that's why I agreed to them. But it's actually VR3s. He's ripped off this ribbon cable. I haven't looked at any videos yet because I've never taken this one apart. I've taken the old ones apart and changed the analog sticks. I'm assuming he's already replaced this one. Now, is this that main big ribbon cable that goes right the way around? Good, better to use his unit to test the drive. Yeah. I'm gonna I said to him I'll test it first before ordering the part. Because this connects to this board, which he's ripped off. That's completely clean, sheared off. Now I think, I don't know what ribbon cable that is. I've never opened one of these before. The headsets, I'm confident with the headsets. Yeah, not Oculus anymore, it's Meta, isn't it? Bin. It's just money in another controller. Vince better pick up, what do you mean? So I'm gonna need the left ribbon, and I don't think he attacked this one because he broke that one originally. I wish they wouldn't do it themselves. And he's just given me the money already. Yeah. The other ones weren't too bad. Like, what the hell's these clips at the bottom? I'm gonna have to order the ribbon tonight as well, so I can at least try and tackle it. But he definitely said they're VR2 heads controllers, and it's not. It's Meta Quest 3 or whatever it is. That's kind of annoyed me a little. But yeah, okay, well I think that's it then. Now guys, I'm going to leave all this mess for the morning because I can't be bothered. I need some foodage and drink, really thirsty. But it's been a really cool day. It's been annoying, but really cool. So thanks everyone. I don't know how many viewers we got. Please hit the like on the way out, although it doesn't bother me. I need to get into that habit. Thank you, Chill and Relax. Thanks Joe, John Carr. Nandor, thank you mate for suggesting to look into the power supply, although it didn't sound good from the start, but you knew, you've done it before. Rick, thanks for being in here buddy, you're welcome. Thanks for the dead caps today. So many cap issues, what's going on? Today's just full of caps, cap day. Thanks Falcon, Michael, goodbye, Sean Cozzy, Rusty Russ, Repairs, GT Auto. Oh, you didn't fast forward this bit, didn't you find this bit boring? I'm staying. Thanks, Nick. Nandor, thanks, Andy. See ya. Yeah, it's been a cap day. It's been very cap day. It's been annoying. Thanks, GP. Oh, is that the door again? Should be with you tomorrow, my friend. Aw, my VR headsets will be alright. Do I get a shout out? Where are you? Where are you? Are you in chat, Aaron? Hold on, I might have to do a quick shout out. I don't know how many people's watching. Thanks, Dave. Shout out from YouTuber streamer. Shout out to Aaron over at... Do you know what? I actually don't know. Aaron, you're a pain in the ass. I've lost the invoice. Shit. Anyway, I bought a load of headsets from a guy. It's the Meta Quest 3s because I need to sort out this customer's one. Right, anyway, big shout out to him. I'll shout him out again tomorrow because I can't remember this company name now. He's got his own company. Right, Alex, thank you. I'm going now, guys. In 3, 2. I am going to try and fix something tomorrow. 1. Bye, guys.